Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize EarTrumpet settings on Windows 11 in 2026. Let's get started. First, make sure EarTrumpet is already running on your computer. Now, go to the system tray on the right side of the taskbar and find the EarTrumpet icon. Right-click the EarTrumpet icon, then click Settings. This will open the EarTrumpet settings window where you can customize different options. In the Settings window, you can configure keyboard shortcuts for quickly opening the EarTrumpet flyout, opening the volume mixer, or opening the settings window. Simply click the shortcut box and press the key combination you want to use. Next, scroll to the mouse settings section. Here, you can enable or disable volume control with your mouse wheel while hovering over the EarTrumpet icon or while the flyout is open. You can also customize the appearance by enabling the legacy EarTrumpet icon if you prefer a different taskbar icon style. Another useful option is the logarithmic volume scale. Turning this on provides smoother and more natural volume adjustments, especially at lower volume levels. You'll also find the option to enable or disable anonymous crash reports. If you don't want diagnostic information to be sent, simply turn this option off. After making your changes, simply close the settings window. EarTrumpet saves your preferences automatically, so there's no save button to click. That's how to customize EarTrumpet settings on Windows 11 in 2026. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials.